Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Great. So, my dear colleagues, my dear teachers, and the proud parents, and above all, the champion students. Let's have a huge round of applause for this group. Congratulations. Yeah. Now, what are you doing? So, yesterday night I couldn't sleep. I was told by Dr. Amlan that I have to address this gathering, and I tried my level best to write a speech, and I'm not very good at it. So to be very honest, I also tried to cheat. I tried ChatGPT also. Yeah. Unfortunately, make it full screen. Unfortunately, by the end of the night, I was not happy with the outcome. So I was just thinking that how can I add value to this group in this next 10 minutes? So I thought that instead of writing a speech or talking about something, let me remember the time when I passed out. As you can see, I'm slightly elder than all of you. So from that perspective, if I take the time back to the time when I passed my grade 12, I'm a product of Air Force School in India, and when I passed my grade 12, what all I did. And from there, I would like to address from those learnings. So this will be a little different in presentation, and I hope, since it is addressed to this group especially, I hope you guys like it. So, in my life, just after grade 12, I did a lot of things, As you can see, a lot of good things, a lot of bad things, and to be very honest, a lot of ugly things also. Yeah. And whatever I speak today in the next 10 minutes is the learning from all that I did after grade 12. And I hope that even if you get something from that, I'll be very happy. So I call this as the 12 commandments. I'll be talking about 12 points, 12 rules. Hopefully, all of you will learn something out of it and take it back to your careers. So, the first one is be humble. First of all, be very proud of what you have achieved today. You are graduating, it's a big thing. A lot of you must be going to top colleges in Bangladesh, all over the world, and be proud of it. But also remember to be humble. Humility and humbleness is the first sign of any professional. And if you want to grow, the first thing that you need is to know that, is to be humble. That's the first thing I would give you as an advice. The second thing, dream big. This is the point, guys. You are at a cusp of moving into the first step in your career. Dream big. Big, as big as possible. Nothing is impossible today. Just dream big. Have huge ambitions. Small ambitions are for small people. Have huge ambitions. Nothing can stop you. That would be my second message to all of you. Third, please remember, while it is great to dream big, have ambition, but you need people and you need support. Networking will become extremely crucial as you go ahead in your career. Extremely crucial. So make friends. I'll give you an example. Now this entire group who is sitting right now, forget the world, forget your country, forget everything else. Just this group which is passing right now. Just imagine if you are in touch with each other. How much support and help you can do to each other, let's say 10 years from now, 15 years from now, 20 years from now. Think about it. If that can happen within this group, imagine if you network well with people with whom you will study, whom you will work in the future, how good it will be. So please focus on networking. That would be my third advice. My fourth advice, like I said, ChatGPT, it still goes like a rocket on top of my head. I can't believe that now world is into AI in such a big way, And I believe that no matter what's your age, you have to be an active learner and you have to upgrade yourself. If you don't upgrade yourself, please remember, life will downgrade you. You have to upgrade yourself, and this is for not only you, but everyone who is sitting in this room. Keep looking at things that you can learn, keep looking at things that you can develop further, and it will be extremely crucial We don't even know what will be the technology, what will be the things which will happen after 10 years or 15 years. Who knew many years back, that entire world will shrink into a mobile which will be there in your pocket? No one knew. But today it's something that each and every person uses. Just imagine what will happen after 20, 30 years, or 20 years, or 15 years, or 10 years. So please look at upgrading yourself, look at being an active learner. This one is one of my favorite. Be fiercely competitive. Fiercely competitive. World is going to be a tough place. You have to be competitive as you grow, as you make your mark, but never ever compromise on your ethics. Your ethics is what builds you as an individual, which, that is something that never ever compromise. And I can tell you that in life, as you grow, there will be a lot of temptations. Lots and lots of temptations. So when those temptations are there will be points where you feel weak and you may have to just think, shall I compromise? Please don't do that. Be strong, and that is what will define your character and you as you grow. Yeah. Next one. I don't know whether it's visible, but I'll read it out. There is a word called ownership. People talk a lot about entrepreneurship. It does not matter whether you are starting something of your own or you are working somewhere. It does not matter. Or you are studying something. But what's important is this word called ownership. What matters is that when you are doing a job, do it from your heart. Do it for performance. Do it not for money, but for performance, and automatically you will get success. Ownership is about not someone else telling you what to do and remind you, but you telling yourself that this is mine. This is my job, this is my studies, this is my career, I need to do this. So have that ownership bent of mind. Finally, at midway, there are a lot of words which are very famous right now. And some of you might disagree with me or be a little angry with me also. Words like depression, words like mental health and all that. I respect, by the way, all these things. But I want to tell you one thing, that as you grow, life, as I said, will be a tough place. It won't be easy. There will be a lot of good things which will happen to all of you, but there will be a lot of tough things which is also going to happen. Please stand up and fight your demons. Fight it. Only you can do it. And be very focused about that nothing can stop us. There will be challenges, there will be problems, there will be stress, but ultimately, your mental health is ultimately in your hands. Be very strong mentally, and everything else will fall into place. Yeah? The next one. It's not easy to fight your demons without some people who are standing next to you. So do find some people who love you and on whom you have trust. And everyone needs that support system. One of the first person I can remember or I can tell you is definitely your parents. There's no one else bigger in this world than your own parents. They are representatives of God and they are helping all of you. But having said that, anyone and everyone where you feel that there is someone whom I can love, whom I can trust, please do that. This will be necessary as you go ahead. Also, maintain an active lifestyle. Today, all of you are, young and you must be doing your sports and I don't know what all. But as you move into life somewhere, don't get trapped in a sedentary lifestyle. Invest in a sports. Don't leave sports. Do something, walk, run, do something for God's sake, but be active, and that will matter as you grow and add your age, So next thing, if you get a chance, and I'm sure you all will, travel around the world, travel around your country, go look at cultures, look at religions, look at food, look at clothing, look at learning, take experiences. And appreciate diversity. Appreciate diversity. And you can become more and more balanced as you grow when you start learning to appreciate that diversity. So I would urge you to do that. Yeah. And finally, this I always say, make some mistakes. For God's sake, don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's okay. We all make mistakes. There is no one in this world, apart from probably God, who doesn't make mistake. So go for it. I mean, there will be chances. Sometimes you don't know the decision you are taking or the choice of subject or some job or I don't know your next set of studies. Will it be good, bad? You don't know. But do your research, do your understanding, talk to people, but don't be afraid to make mistakes. Very important. I mean, it does not matter. What matters is that whether you are learning from those mistakes or not. Don't repeat a mistake. But it's absolutely okay to make a mistake. It does not matter. Yeah? Mistakes are the biggest experience. And finally, the 12th point is that, guys, look, I mean, you are representing your parents, your country, and yourself wherever you go. So, two things. One, wherever you go, remember, people are looking at you and they will judge how your parents are, how your school was, how your country is, based on how you behave and how you perform. Remember that. So, always remember that and work hard around that. And secondly, when I say give back, please give back. Please give back to your parents. Please give back to your country. Please give back to yourself. Please give back to your school. Be good alums of the school. And do whatever it takes to give back. Be kind to your environment, to everyone, to human beings, even animals. Be cognizant of what's happening around you and give back. Yeah. These are things which will matter. Believe me, while it's very easy to show all these things and it's very easy to hold a mic and just tell something in front of you, it's very difficult. In fact, if you remember the good, bad and ugly, I mean, most of the things what I told, I was on the bad or the ugly side. But yeah, but you learn around your life. So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for listening to me intently, and I hope that this batch does extremely well, and I wish you all success. And my best wishes, go win the world. Ladies and gentlemen, class of 2025. You can have a clap for that. Thank you.